Okay. Welcome to my channel. I am here to open McDonald's. Let's start. Thank you.
Careful with the scissor.
Here.
What is that? The McDonald's BTS?
Yeah.
What is that?
BTS.
BTS meal.
BTS.
Okay, careful with the scissor. Put it away first. Put away the scissor.
Okay.
So sharp. Goodness.
Okay.
Put it back.
It's
It's okay.
here. Now we have chicken nuggets.
Put it out.
Some hash brown. This is chicken nuggets. What's that? Some papers. Like this.
Show that one in the camera.
This is so yummy.
Go open it.
Okay. Okay. Nuggets.
Okay, put that here.
Okay. So our meal.
What else do you got?
Go, get more.
More chicken nuggets for you.
Careful.
This is driving chicken fillet.
Go, open it. Show it to the camera.
Okay. This will be so yummy for you and me and Mom and no. Next. Here. So yummy.
Open up another one.
Okay.
Get some more. What's inside?
That's them.
What's that?
I'll show you. I'll open it. Look at it. It's Chinese. It's so spicy. So spicy. It's Cajun.
Cajun.
It's so spicy. See this fire?
Okay. Show it to the camera.
Okay. This is really spicy.
The
Oh my
BTS
gosh.
sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
This is for you.
And what else you got there?
Okay. I want to go. 2 plus 2. 2 white spoons.
1 plus 1.
1 plus 1. 2 white forks.
Good job.
This is for you.
Okay. What else?
Here. We have so many 100 ketchup.
Is it
They
100?
have more spicy for you, Papa and Mama. And I just want this one, please. 3 plus 3, 2 white spoons.
What? It's 3 white spoons.
1 plus 1, 2 spoons.
It's
2 forks.
okay.
I have. Oh,
What's more inside?
okay.
Enough of the spoons. You show what's inside the other foods.
5 plus 5, 5 white spoons.
It's not 5 white spoon. Count it nga.
10 plus 10,
Just get the food. You're counting it wrong.
4 plus 4,
2 plus 2
2 plus 2
equals...
equals 5.
No! It's 4.
I'll get some
What's inside more?
Chicken nuggets.
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 It's not chicken nuggets. Read what's inside. I mean on the paper.
Chicken filled.
Filet.
Filet.
Okay, open it.
Yummy. This is for you.
For who? There's another one that's not open yet. What's inside? No, this one. This one, the one in the paper bag.
Okay.
What's inside? Can you check it? You don't need a scissor, I think. This scissor is so short. Can you remove the tape only?
I can.
You can or you can't?
I can.
You can't?
Yeah.
Careful with the scissors, please.
Okay, so sharp.
Careful with your hands. Oh my god, don't let it face. You just cut it.
Okay.
Your hands.
Done.
Remove the scissor first.
Oh.
Remove the scissor. Put it away first.
Oh.
Don't get it now. It's okay.
It's awesome spoon. There's something yummy here.
Open it so you will see what's inside.
Fries!
Show it to them.
Yum, yum.
What's this other one?
Okay, I'll open the soda.
No, not the soda. It's okay. Just show it to them that it's a soda, but you can drink that.
This is a soda.
BTS soda.
BPS soda.
BTS.
BTS Cola. Coca-Cola.
Okay. How about the other one? Don't open it now. Don't open it. Just this one. What's that? This one. Yeah. Check it out. What's inside? One at a time. Can you?
Yeah. Okay. But I will open it because I think it's ice cream.
Can you open it on your own?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
just
open the ice cream.
show it to them.
Okay, the ice cream.
Show it to the camera like that.
Here. Yum, yum. It's an ice cream.
Can you open it? Remove the one inside? No? You don't open it with a spoon like that. You remove the papers first, love.
Oh my gosh.
See? Because you're gonna crush it inside. Oh, show it to the camera.
Some yummy ice cream. Let's try some. Let's try it. It tastes
You move
good.
here in the middle because you're at the very messy play area of yours. What's with your face?
It's yummy.
Why is your face like that? Is it cold? Okay na, done na.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What will you say to them? Subscribe.
Subscribe. Now next is the toys.